I'm waiting for my parking here in BGC. While waiting, kasi it's a full parking, sabi ko, sige, magpa-pump na lang muna ako while waiting. I have my cover, eme. This is from Ninang Dani. Thank you so much. Tada!
Wow!
Ito yung takip na. Next is our favorite Mom Cozy pump. Thanks, Mom, for packing this for me. Dito ako sa BGC today. By the way, most of you are asking what are the settings I do dito. I'm using the Mom Cozy V1 Pro. I'm using level 15 dito sa teardrop or sa drop na function. Battery is long lasting, guys. Huwag nyo lang siyang i-overcharge. So yan, ganito ang setup ko while waiting for my parking. Convenient para sa akin mag-pump while driving or maybe while waiting. There. My milk supply has really dropped drastically. But we are not stopping. Ganda ko today, no? No? So, tapos na ako mag-pump and I'll show you guys. Nakapag-park na ako. Wala naman tao, so kebs. Para lang di kayo magulat. Sobrang bumaba na yung supply ko. Baka magulat din ako. I'm working on the supply right now, but yeah. Oh my God, madami siya today. The power of pumping, latching, eating, masabaw na food. Talaga. Oh my goodness! That's so madami. Nung mga nakaraan, as in very dito. Sobrang stress, sobrang puyat and all. Stress sa mga missiles sa Doha. Thank God nakauwi ako. Nare-regain ko yung supply ko. Oh my goodness! Yes! Total of 5 ounces. Kinikilig ako, guys. Milk. Medyo nawawala na kami ng pag-asa. We're thinking of already like switching to formula. Kasi nga, girl, sobrang konti na ng milk ko. Sa total of 5.5 ounces. Good enough. Hi, thank God. Tada! There you go, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Gala na ako. Bye-bye!